Hello, this is Sakura and welcome to my dashboard about skin cancer in New Zealand. I recently went back to New Zealand over the summer break and I spent a lot of time surfing and being outdoors. Now, New Zealand has very strong UV rays. We have one of the highest skin cancer rates in the world. And before I dive into my dashboard, I want to go through two definitions. So first of all, melanoma is the more serious cancer, and this can be spread out very quickly throughout your body if it's not detected early. Non-melanoma is usually more common and it's less aggressive. So first of all, I'm going to go through the top left chart, which says total melanoma and non-melanoma cases. This chart really compares both of these two types of cancers, and it's very clear that melanoma has a much higher number of cases than the other. In the middle, I've included the total number of cases as of 2019, which is 6,774 cases. That sounds like a lot. Moving on to my top right, where I kind of divided melanoma cases by DHB. DHB is the District Health Board in New Zealand. And I was surprised to see that Waitemata and Waikato were at the very top too. And a city like Auckland, which is the most populous city in New Zealand, was ranked number 4. On the bottom right, this is non-melanoma cases, and I'm going to scroll to the top. You can see Bay of Plenty come right at the top, and Waikato was also number 2. I wasn't surprised about Bay of Plenty. This is a coastal region where a lot of people are by the sea, swimming, fishing, things like that. And one quick note about this one is my x-axis only goes up to 10, and this is because it only contributes to small regional counts rather than national counts. So the axis and the data is much smaller here than compared to a national count. And finally, my gender comparison, this just shows the differences by gender across these two types of cancers. Melanoma, you can see that women have higher cases than men, and vice versa for non-melanoma. Overall, I learned that the cases aren't evenly distributed. They vary by DHB, by the district health boards, and this really connects to New Zealand's outdoor lifestyle and UV exposure, and I think this is why prevention is so important and education on skin protection and skin cancer and things like that. Thank you.